I guess this has to do with them waking up in the morning and getting ready for their day. دارا و سارا زود از خواب بیدار می شوند. Oh, they wake up early, زود. آنها دست و صورت خود را با آب و صابون می شویند. They wash their hands and face with water and soap. صورت is face. And صابون is soap. Oh, I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to show you how the other letter S is written. هر یک از آنها مسواک مخصوص به خود دارد. They each have their own toothbrush. آنها با مسواک. مسواک is toothbrush. مسواک مخصوص به خود their own toothbrush دندانها را مسواک می کنند. They brush their teeth with their own toothbrush. This way they won't make a mistake and use the other person's toothbrush. Okay, let's check this out. This is the letter. We call it sat, but it sounds just like a se. Okay, so let me show it to you. See, this is how it's written, but it sounds exactly like a se, like the letter S. So we have this one that sounds like a se, and this one that sounds like a se. And there's another one. This letter also sounds like a se. Okay, let me do this again. That's sat, sounds like a se. That's sin, sounds like a se. And that's se. All those three sounds like a se, se. So when you want to say surat for your face, you say surat. Surat for face. Surat. But here's the tricky one. If you want to say dast, you use the other se. Dast. See, both of them end with the letter te, but this one uses this se and this one uses this se. Dast to surat, hand and face. Okay, now that they woke up, I think they probably have to get ready for, put their uniforms on, get ready for school, and have their breakfast. So what does this page say? It says دارا و سارا صبح زود از خواب بیدار می شوند. هر روز صبح دست و صورت خود را با آب و صابون می شویند. The same as last page. They wake up early in the morning. Every morning they wash their hands and face. دندانها را مسواک می زنند. They brush their teeth. دندان. Remember دندان? دندان is tooth. دندانها is teeth. دست و صورت را با حوله خشک می کنند. حوله is towel. Oh, they dry their hands and face after they wash it. So حوله, they need حوله. And that's a towel. صبحانه میخورند و به دبستان میروند. They eat their breakfast and go to school. So this is what they're teaching us. They're teaching us this letter he. So let's write a few of these words. If you want to write morning, you say sobh, right? You use this sat. You put a little comma on top, make it sound like a so. And you put this he at the end. He, sobh. 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 There we go. And then if you want to use a towel to dry your hands, you say hole, and hole is he, o, le, he, hole. The last part is like that, the word we used, the name of that girl, Jale, remember? Jale. So hole is towel. Sobh is morning. Alright. No pictures on this page. پدر هر روز صبح زود از خواب بیدار می شود. پدر, father wakes up early morning too. مادر هر روز صبح زود از خواب بیدار می شود. Mom gets up early in the morning too. پدر هر روز نماز می خواند. Oh, namaz is the prayer that Muslim people do. Like my mom would wake up early in the morning and do her prayers and thank God for every good thing that she had. So پدر هر روز نماز میخواند. مادر هر روز نماز میخواند. Both the father and mother do their prayers. وقتی که پدر نماز میخواند, وقتی means when dad prays, دارا و سارا گوش میکنن تا یاد بگیرن. گوش is ear, so it says when dad is praying aloud, Dara and Sarah listen so that they can learn. آنها میخواهند وقتی که بزرگ شدن نماز بخوانند. They would like to do their ritual prayers, daily prayers when they grew up. خدا کسی را که نماز میخواند دوست دارد. Here it says God loves the people who pray. God loves everybody, but people who pray, God sees that they are appreciative of the blessing that God has given them. So God likes it because realizes that these people are very, very wise. And sometimes people pray in a way that other people don't see them. They don't know that these people are praying. So it's just different people pray differently. But God, as a general rule, God loves people who are prayerful. That means they are thankful for everything that's on this planet, on this universe. So you don't have to pray like Muslims or Christians. Different people pray differently. God loves people that pray in any way they can, that they're able to. Okay, this page. این دختر و پسر حرفهای آموزگار گوش میکنن. That boy and girl are listening carefully to what the آموزگار is a teacher. They're listening, گوش میکنند. زنگ تفریح را زدند و بچه ها از کلاس بیرون رفتند. Oh, it's recess. The bell rang and they're going out of the class. دارا به آسمان نگاه کرد و ماه را دید. به به. Dara says how beautiful the moon, the stars, ماه و ستاره ها. مهتاب همه جا را روشن کرده است. The moonlight has made the night time not so dark. We have light. I love the word setare because it shows of all the stars that are out there. It reminds us of this beautiful, vast universe.